Tika keteng jong ka jingruai ka de Jerusalem kani ka jingruai kam dei ha ka tian pareng ka dei ha ka wei ka kentien dei ki jingmut jong kani ka jingruai ha ka por ba krishna ka dei kham tam ha kani ka por ka jingjanjar ha ka por jong ka khlam ha ka por jong ka thma kham tam ha peleng ka thma jong ka Ukraine bat ka Russia ki priu kat no ki sngosi kat no ki jinjar ti pun ba ki ruai kani ka jingruai ka dei ka jingruai ka baong pelait yanga ngakwa ban le ngo shiang ti menta kum ne hi ngin yo ya ka jing shat na ka Shillong unit terna
Jerusalem, ikayalami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalem, ikayalami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze zuhambe nami dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze zuhambe nami dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze Jerusalem, ikayalami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalem, ikayalami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana.
Next, mentangin yo yang kejingkran balengkot mi parish priest.
Kane ka janmit ngi sunggu yau blay ubala ya kane kasngi akaba ngiraban sunggu yau blay nakabenta kajingai jong kajingate nakabenta kine ki 6% senam kajingate jong kane ka balang shinong jongi ngai ku blay ya ye Reverend Father Richard Madao Vicar General jongi badai Father Gloria Assembly and Father Don Bosco badai ki baro ki sister badonang ne bad ki category sirang balang nang tre balang bar kirem balang bar dia pi wei pai wei ki pai jongu play kam thame baga jungku play ba kam kat pang nga ai ki balang shinong terna ki bala tresitom nadu la sislam ben sim nakabenta kani kasngi daki program ba prepare daki kam ki ba prepare ki bala tresitom ban penlong ekane kasngi ba kemen bas kasngi jong ba kemen ba job bad bau play second round un kerketo ek jing tresitom jongki bad baling ba ke jingker ko jong play ba jing tumo jong kane ke bang shnong anur long bad ngidwai bau play second round kan kerko nang taisa lo jong kane ke bang shnong ek jingker ko jing ai jong play teminta kasngi ka jingle kemen jongi jingle ka jingle ke jubli jongi kalong ban sungu yau play ka jingle ke jongi kalong ban sungu yau play nakabenta ka jingai jong ko jinget ka bau play wala ai engi lengba ki missionary prepare adu ki pada Jerman adu benta ki baro ki bala IT pedman sim nakabenta ka jingroi jong ko jinget baga jingba jong kan malang salang chungi baga jinget ka semba jong ko jinget ki bala bet agria kane eka time chungi kala penmi simbon ki lindo ki riuniam na kane ka balang snong ba na kane ka time chungi ban pen priang ko bod jong ka jinget ko bod ba jong Jesus Christ bar kum kane ka sngi ka ba akabangi rake ni songu yau play na kabenta ka jinget ka ba play wul ayangi kade kamram chungiru ba ban duai na kabenta ka jingko chungu play ekisin rang bar kentai amta me ha kane ka jugba menta tuna ba ki kentai kisin rang ki badon ki ba don ka ki ba trang ban long ki riniam kilindo riniam ban tri ka briso wan chungu play tangi duai ngi don ka ban duai bana ka benta ka jingko chungu play ha preng ki kentai kisin rang chungi bagisin ki samla chungi barkum ki mi ki pa bar ngi don ban penslor ngi don ka ban penslor ki ban snow ya ka sur chungu play ban IT yela ka jingim chungki ban tri ya ka briso wan chungu play ta kane ka singiru ba kumba ngi raki yaka jingai chungi kane do kum ba ki apostle kila karparya utra chingi Jesus Christ ban pen klai na ka jingai chungki ngiru ngidon ka jingai to play wal ai ngi ka jingai jeng ko jingai kirgaron kamban ange nang sana ka jingai chungi man la ka singi takane ka singiru ka jingdwa chungi ka long kumba ki apostle ki dadwai how play ban penroi ka jingai chungi kaderu ka jingai kaderu kade ka jingdwa chungi mta ka singi ban pen klai chushi ka jingai chungi kana ba ngiru kum ki apostle ba kila ki ba lingba ka jingai jingkar ku lengba ka jingai baskem chungki kilala ban job na ki jingai jingsen char ki bala pen shem ka jingim chungki kila yo ma de ka board chungu play ka jingim chungki ban kila IT ban sim na ka benta aka kam chungu play kana ka benta o Jesus Christ to ai ba ka jingre ke chungi ba ngiru kum ki postal bangin tuai ba play second round one pen client shu ka jingai chungi bangin ngin ba lemba ka jingai ba scam ba ngiru ngin don ka bor ba scam ka jingai chungu play ban job na ki jingsen char ki ba ngi shem ka jingim ban la ka singi the assassin nga ai ku play if you borrow ka consecutive sentinel ba super ba comment kam tame nga ai ku play ba kam karpang ka balang sinong terna ya ka jubilee ba consecutive sentinel ba jubilee ba super ba comment ba gidwai kam tame ka ne ka singi pana ka benta ka jingtumo jong ka balang sinong ang ne terna ba play second round kerkedo ya ka ne ka balang sinong ba ka jingtumo jong ka ne ka balang sinong play sibon
Mendapat munyo sekali ke program kata kadang jingwai na ki para senang ki badan hasara hot iki bikin warna mentah so stage
Kajan miat besok berkemen ya pi baro ngi ki kon terna ki basa kasnong sora ngi ngin aya pi ka wai ka jingrai ka ka ketang jo ka jingrai kalong bat scam mela ka jingen
Kulai shibun itu besar babang batiang bikin tian mesngau tanah jumpi kena samla pat habret barok mentangin yo ya kajing keren na i Father Glorious CMLE. Hakani ko por nga pediang sngop haru ya usardar jong ka snong terna bat ka executive committee jong ka dorbar snong terna ni pediang sngop ha ya phi hakani ka lempung jongi kublai shibuan ni kijengwan jepi. Mentangin yo ka cingkran hadian kani ka cingkran jong Father Glorious ngindon ka hawar na ka snong terna.
Kublai Shibun Mary lai kini kapor kendiat ban kren si kentian ar kentian kumaju ong hakak tin jongi ngis ngongu sisa yo blai blari la sumar la kerku kerdo hakiru kom beper haus nem baladap usnem ar hajar ar puar bad kam kerpange bola ai yaw neus nem ubat semai ar hajar ar pulai habang las sedang dakai jing aingu yau blai baki jing duai kijing kerpan na u bau nu snem ar hajar ar pulai unlong snem badap dakai jing ai kijong blai tingai khu blai snem thmai basuk bakmen babadap jing kerku jong blai yapi uwei pe uwei ngisngau kemen hadu kata Hak Jingdan Lang Jong Father Richard M. Majau, Vicar General Jong ka Archdiocese Shillong Jongi, Ngatip Skem ba ilong babun kam hadu kata, ban yarap yaw Archbishop Victor Lengdo, namar kibun ki kam ban pej haka Archdiocese, wakum juru ki kam ki badan ha ki weipat ki Diocese Jong ka Juwai ban nong stoin, kublai Shibun. Farishad ikijing ai jong phi kane ka por ba koridor ba ka pen I ba kan no phi I yakine ka them reward jongi ublay nang kerku kodo ya phi Father Paris Jongi Ferokia Sami yakijing snok tilang jong phi ba kane ka blang snong kalalong ka ba ipu iping klem phi ngatrai kan salong ka ba kenja bat kanam long kumalong menta Rengkat berpi pada Don Bosco, berkaitan hakti hakijat hakikam mensim baro. Ya kisistar baro nak konben berper ki berdar ki babukat kis kirang ba balang kinang trekam balang hak benta berper but kadnung isngau menru hangne bandan lang sordar rabasnong secretary nakikam snong baro hakaba kila penbit penbiang ban ai kani kicing bit ban penlong ikani ka program ya isamla alwen harkongor president jong ka SSCYM jong ka Archdiocese Shillong kublai Shibun idon lang jong phi kadong snautenat haba phi don rangkat bat ngi kumju ya phi wei klam jer kereteng ya ki pai jong blai bladan adu management step hadu kane kapor kabamenta ngai kublai ya I padu Patrick bela ai diang stung bhai ngi nam ta kani ka program ngaken mau nadu kapor bodang song class 4 padu Patrick ulayang hakani ka stage hangni ndai ba piang song bha na ruai shat ni nadu kata kapor ngi ju suju mo kani ka dekada ka sin jong jing terku ko jong blai snok man me yepi lang ne bad ya baro ngas ngomelum benyang mentahang ne namar kapan kan mau yang kita kipor ke bamen siwa nadu kipor bang late school bakar pange house nam syajar kena spa kendai po nyo hakba kidon kileng do thamai sangut ke badan pelup hang ne hi hakmat keduan nam ta kejing pen kentang yaki uwei na kita kisangut udah utabakren mentahang ne Bakita kilaingot kidan lagi jong ki mission bagi tray. But hakaway nagi parish at hayan riboy steng late way ba ya kendu yang ya tu isapang katag jing late yang steng keleng. But uang ru ngalalay sa terna uklam kali yang api na padar ya tu iswa katag jing late. Tu sedang mana tuang kumni kajing ya seng merat katu bahasa terna. ngilai tang bandi ka rung mio jaka ban yai chana chana rum long te la sedang yong senyuk jong ngai jireng sejong dia ngang balai te pada pin dai badan ma pin tu ngap tip pin lai gumno tengah keli ngong haus para yu snam yu ya tu snam sajar kena spa dai penyok hat terik nai baar yu ya kentang padar pok kenta ter nala itu lut baro sakali pidai na padar ngong na terna ngi kingap jang ul kam per kendiat adi nang tu pade pen kentang e phi menno ngong sajar kena spa kena penyo odai ma phi mo sa pen kentang tu kasi ani ma padaro te kapor kaya hakita kipor kalong hakata rukom nimlaban klet you archbishop resto panrang blood trace rang ba sia gitu kipor ban pun bandur ya kene ke sidang katau hoi kidan kijing dunah ne hang tai hak ba kat kum gejaya jong kitu kipor walang trace tam kanu kanuru handai menta pedeng i kliap hair hak ba ngi ban kren pangka ngi ai ngu ai kublai yau sordar barang baisnong badiga kenhun jong kausil baro telap biang ka kat sebalai kadan ka kepahu bah kanai kada kesin jong jing roy hakim lang salang ban ngai kublai kerpang ya kinong trelang baro kiba bun ba ban penlong ya kanai ka sngi kebadap daging kemen kebadap daging kerpu ke jong blai haki unit beper pen nak snong nak Paris unit na Shillong na Sora nak kuai ke Jaka ngi kata kamen sim jong kajing ya trelang kaba man uwei pewei kawei pekawei kidan kata kajing sengau tenat tongin penlong ya kaneka centenary ka quasi centennial celebration hakajing wan jong kajing ngai hakaneka balang senong kajong kaneka ba penitenat ya kajing long jing man jong iwei pewei hakaba ya snok tilang ban penwandur ya kaneka sni hakiru kom ba per kalong hakaliang jong kapisa hakaliang jong kajing tray hakapor hakajing penkuat jing penkre hakibun kirukom bangna ai kublai ker ya baro ngenam lasu ban kapor kenam dan banjer kerteng hangni dan samla syai pernai bela penyai hakarukom kaba kumka por kaju kaba menta kenu kene LCD bat kiwai ke program badi kiwai kimba sisa ublai ula pli kene kalar kenti bala kerku kerdo ban penlong kene kasngi kumbalong menta kaba kongsan kadai kata kamen sim jong kajing ya trela handai kwa ban ong sikentian ngi kemen hoi bangila job hakane kasngi la ban ong handai kan mau ko hanman ko para kepang hakane ka Paris kene kasnong kajongi kene ki unit per kajing penkut ya kene ka jing rakhe penan buram ya kene ka centenary kan longru hakaju kapor kajing sedang ya ka wei ya ki arteli pat ki bentang labanong kata kelong kajing sedang kumno bang perkhat rangkat kajing yalam jong ufra Paris place kumalapan pau menhela kerku yang mau nong rem dai father VG jongi vicar general kumno bangin yo no ikane kajing mane ka batmai kabangila ya posniu la kambun snem ngila banong da kajing kerku jong blai punya trelang sampai hakoi kasngi kan sa urlong kaba ngipen kre ya kajing dap sis pas snem juga ne kajing mani tengi duai bar kajing tre stom kermen ngin sa ai ka keti kadiang tri kamon wei pan ban pen urlong ya kane kajing posniu kabar pade mentang dap sis pa arpusan snem ngidai ruban pen kre ban rakhe ya kajing dap sis pa san posnem ngimdai ban song thai dan ngang o mentala dap kane kajing rakhe dan buram in song thai no kanam poi sino da ka ba ngiyai beteng ka wei tin ka wei kajing pen kre dena kata kadau kuan ra ya kata kajing trestom ha kajing em kajongi ha kaliang jong ka met bat ka mensien ngirakhe ya ki jubilee dan ki centenary Dan ke pulih nak kitab Leviticus ni syamba laong ba hakane ka sni buram jubilee ngidai ban put ia kata ka rong sing lane ka turoi da kijing aingu yau blai da kijing aingu yau blai ba kinong Israel kirakhe ia kata kijing lai luit na kari Egypt but kila aya kijing mut hakam kata kijing rakhe ba kito ke badan karam kidai ban lai siuna ban pendap ya karam bat unong airam udai ban map ya karam ka jengki to ki pamla ban sil badai banan ka mensim jeng ka jing iye ka jing ya buram ka jing sung sipara ka jing ya map iwe ya iwe pat da ka ni ka mensim jong ka jubilee te ka ni ka de ka kubor na banta jong iwe piwe habang irak he ka ni ka sngi badan buram ngiru ngidai ban long hakata kurkom kumla ai kenuksa de long suwa ke jungi dadadan kam ngidai bandan ke jing ma ba ke jing kesem ngidai ban iye ban buram wei pat rengkat ke pamarjan marpa ba ke syong suk syong sain kan sinsyar haki donur ke jungi haki ying kesem ke jungi haki snong ke tau ke jungi haki mlang salang bat ka balanghi baro ke wei kublai sibun
Mentapat nginyo ya kapawar na kasnong terna hakani kapor nga smudei ban pediang sngobha ya temen basan pat kirang ba balang na kabalang Presbyterian terna kibalawan nang nak benta kani ke program ni pediang songha ya piba baro laingut sangut kebiawan hakani ke program bat kermen bapin pin ya song hadu bakut namar bapidang yawan to ni khot ya kabalang song terna bakan aya ka pawar Hadian kani ngin yo ka jengkren na Vicar General jungi Reverend Father Richard Majau. Nang tangi dang don shibuan ki program na kata kadaw ni Hampenstead ni dang don shu ki we ki program ngin pen i sa pang ka jingwan jong ka jingay di ngobha ban ya ap. Fleischbuan ya katu kan kiu jengpi para senang mentah pada ingin yo kejengkran na Ivica General jengi Father Richard Majau hadian kan ingin yo ki kentian ai kublai hendrai hadian ke kentian ai kublai ingin dan syuk ki program ban penkut da ki video
I kong meris iba penyak yakni ka program hakni ka no paiski ya I Father Sami barong parish priest jungi I Father Don Bosco I Father Glorious Imle nata yaki sister ki jungi ki no tre balang jungi pi paro nangta yaki sodashnong rombashnong nanta ignong ilam balang na kiwi balang presbyterian na kiwi balang lesi badan nakat akan ni kapor ni skokmen hadu kata badan nakat akan ni kesengi berkembang longi pi nam tajunga kedigesin ke benikong ke bawang yu kejat hang ni posh dong terna ngelaju I ke dong terna na keleng na situ bangalai mana kini posh mau lekiat bangalai citi sidrong nanta bawang jenis po like and so na kuwi ke posh we por si I berbor ya ke sidong terna dengan skup lapan ngapersyang menpet demi kiwi sidong saudong pat melak ban ineng ni sidong malah sikit ki dieng ki bejrong pro saudong terai melak ban I hendai ka bangi pet ban kiwi ke jaka ngi I berbor ya ke sidong terna ke baik tenan meneh aku por bai for the glorious ila itu khana chpang tu jinja po coordination jingi mar ba bone ki priyo ngatarai nak kata kilesem jinjar banyaj banyang banyo kita ki junon kam per ndai yigi bon menta ka sngi pat ta ka ji tarat ka shnong ndai bing shuro arsam nadu benem step ngalakren ya ka ji tarat jong ni shnong bat ni so komentru nam ta jingi bon sin bani kong bing sedang ya ka ni snem na ka ni shnong bat ni duai ba kanang pu kanang pieng kanang bah kanang miat bandap sibun ki jingku hakini ka balang shnong badia ka shnong hi barak wei kilinti ki sengkian ki baitanat ki bakhuat ki baitanat bahang bat ngi duai bau blei unang the ka jingku halor jongpi ngidan ye ki prabanget ki jungi ngidan ye ki prashnong jungi ki bali sa cha sora ba chitarna nesina ka daw jungi kam ki jam handai ka shnong jumpi ka ka shnong ka baitanat nak ta ka daw thai wat pila sa cha soru ngai pisa si ki ki jaka handai pi smutra ye la ka jong ka shnong ka ke ke baskutana adu kata kata ngalakran men step hakamas bakut ngalakran ru mantam singi hakabadi ber ke Ukraine bakut ngasubun ki ki jingkran ki jonga mata singi ngalakran bat pi ban ngasukmen ban nginra da ki ki baskutna nagani gishnong ban gerpat shisha yi kabor ke jong blei bu blei nong the ke jingku halo jumpi ki jingi ke non borbor ha ke jingem ke jumpi kumanglong pi mene kum ki brio ki bangai hau Chris gidan kam ye ke jingi ke bas kamba kumbagi tu ki senran ki bala buat yo jisu ki bala shem ye ke jingi abu jisu hikai ke jing ye ke jingi kai ke jungo ngiru ngin se kendo e ta ke jingi ha ke jingi ha ke jim jingi hendrai menta ke ski ha ke jindap chispa son sansnem jong ke jingi jong ke balang hangni potna kadi ke klimat jong ke jinglong baraba kiwe le si kishnong kidang don tang le si tang kendiat snem bah hendrai people chispa sansnem Pada pila yoru Archbishop naganika shnong kejong pi ketika ike ke bakrau ba tu kata pidan kilindo pidan kirunam ki blami nagani kinong tre balang hai kamba per kum jongkong meres ba kiwi ki bangi jer kuteng ki batre kam balang mata bangi dan presiden jongka SSOM ruang ni mau ki batre ya ki kam balang ki per kani ke peni ke jinglong barang ba bangi tuai ke kom ke berpang boble nong the sipun ki jing kerkai ki jing kerku ki babon ha ke jing em ke jingi ngiduai kumangi ong kumalongi for the glorious ru ba kedi ke jing mani mata singi lebo yo mau nongrim ha ke badan kam ye ke jing mani ke batmai ngis ko benut da bangi pet ye ke jing mani namar kalong kerpang kalong itnan kalong compare tinrei ke por ke ya kum ke jing ya jo ke por tekum tale sidon kam ye ke batmai tinrei kat nu ke jing tanat jo ke ber ke ke bangi le mata ke singi ke long history haka jing em jo ke balang Hakini ki por ki beladep na skolungo ba bangi sang banwa di katungan ni documents bangi page ki documentation jong ki parar ngapo ying bishop ngimla ban mudu ni ke documentation jong ki kumno ba ki bo yi ki record nda ki jing tho ki shiti ba kum ta ter ki bakrau menta ka singiru kade ka history na ka benta ka balang hang ni poterna kani ka jing rakhi ke jubli chi spa arts slam but kitu ki longdian ki bansuan haka shispa san postnam ki bansuan haka ars pasnam kin sepe yang ia kini kejuk Lesi mencari sepet ya ke baca lesi ke por jeng tentang padar harus dem si spak kendai harus dem si jar kendai spak kendai punyo mentang arajar ar polai mentang kesengi bat nang ni sekmat kihun jengi kelanang gelastan tik betang isu barang ke krau ba do kata bangi sungu yo play naga bentang ni ke jingai ke play ulai hak jingim ke jengi ku mengilong jingai kin seton hendai ngi di penong ki baskam nasko nang ni sekmat ni ko abnong tak ke wei ia jelah kejong kejengat, skema kejengat, but yai pertua kita kejengat, but yai im kita kejengat, tak mensiam kejong Chris, tak mensiam kejong play, baru play usah sandan, play usah aibor berbor, ya kini ke palang senong, ya ke Paris, ya kini ke tem reward jengi, baru kuwei, play unang the, ya ke jengkurku, ya ke jengi helor jengi, sasisian, ai ke jengkurku kejong play kerana here, hakini ke palang senong, hagi pai kejong play, hak Paris baru kuwei, but baru ki basang masak. Haki di kita hain reward, kenang berkejung berku kejong belai, kena isa berbor, rengkat bangi, rengkat berpi, tu belai nak teh kejung berku, halor jengi iwe piwe, tangi di kitian, ku belai sibon.
Shen mentang ini yo ki kentian ai ku belai, pada hadian kani mangalong ini yo ki program penkut, jeng ki dokumen ini yo ki program penkut, kejengwan jeng kejengnyai lengba ki videos.
Hakaban ng kong apan pa ako jing sungu yo blade sa kunrat bawla kerku ko do ingi sispa absence nem nado ki meirat ki parat ki mei pa jungi ki bal klat ber gudang don la kerku ingi hadu kan ni kapateng bat la kerku ru ki kam ki jamba ro khoi bat mentakas ni kalong ka bayai be nanti ipan pau ka jing sungu ri pada biji jungi bah ka jing bun kam ka jing i lala banya don lang kam tam men step men pendep kum kongsan na kanya kriam bat hadu mentahi bandang long kongsan haga kene cultural program bat ka concluding ceremony ngai kublai bersungu ya paris please ka sora baladon lang mene pada Stefan Carbani men le phai no no men ka jing bun kam ka jing i ngai kublai bersungu ya ifra tubor iba lawan lang meni step rel pai na kejing pun kam jeng i natai parish priest jeng i pada Sami pada Astan parish priest pada Don Bosco pada Bimol Raj lawan lang meni step rel pai na kejing pun kam kejing i ngai kublai ru se i pada Quirinus Imli balon lang meni step iru lalit pai namar kejing pun kam kejing i ngai kublai ki sister superior na po Holy Family Convent Maulong rengkat bat ki Padon lang hang tia konben kamtam i turing sister Kristen bat ke perlok ke lawan ban yarap yangi hagini kisni ba ro sita yo la long nang terna ini sister Kristen lai asyong lasa jan pala tayo ti kani kan sa jing kan mau pi na file chiki wi jakaro haus na marjar fuar nga sila play jumut sya kani ke jubili yarap kini ke decoration bat kunta wi ki kamen sim ku play sibun di sister borok ki balai rap dan mentalang nak mentar ban penpu ban ping yang dikesngi ku play sibun ki sister borok ki bawan ki wi ki konben kum nang tai na like so konben sister bailin datengkan nang ta na ichamati ferendo konben ti bat na seorang i ki dan ki wi ki sister ki bakiwan natai sister Magdalene i dan ne ti kini borok sister ki balai don lang ku play sibun de pi na ki jingwan jo pi kanang penpu ban ping yang ni kesngi ki jungi mentah ngas ngobanai kublai ya baro kinong lebha i Emily i balajit ku pa sendram kong Chris Mary Karpuri nangta kong Irina Hanyota nangta invites baro khot ki bang la khot sahabat ki bala no senyang namata ban polong yang ni kesni ke job ngai kublai ya ki office fair na du SDO civil ka PhD department kinong trai jongka ban penbeng ya ku umbam kumdi ka police department menyerap akal hakikali nang ta pada ya ka health department kamtam ya doktor nang tai na PhD bat ki staff menyerap aka first aid ila don nadu men ne ka step hadu mentaring don kublai sibun ya ka jing ya rap lem ka jong pi na menta jongi akan dikasing ai kublai ya sudah snong wa Andreas Wansai secretary snong bat baro ki ex dorbar jong ka snong ki balia don lang akan ni kapor nang tangai kublai ki teman besan ki secretary jong ka balang presbyterian ki rangwa balang kibalia don lang man takasni banya penpu penping lang rakhil lang yang kasni wa karpang ka jongi kublai sibun ya kajing don yo phi ya kani kasni ngai kublai ya ka parish council kamtami secretary madam Sophia bat ka committee jong I kibalia perkat lang kum do ban penyai anti ya kani ka person Eucharist jong ya kani ka janmit ai kublai ki hat katikis kibala poi kani bat ki bompat poi ru nang ta ki rangba balang yo kisno mo
ta ka man pen I ki video sung chingwan ke chingai ki mei pun papun dei ma phi dei manga ha ka silentem ki por hadian ki jing pen I ni ki videos ngindon short closing ceremony ban panhap ikalama da Reverend Father Richard Majau mentang sedang no ayaka videos yang ka jingwan ke chingai.
The faith has truly multiplied here in the hills of northeastern India, in particular with the Khasi Hills. The very seed planted by the Salvatorians has mushroomed into millions. We owe our gratitude to the Lord for sending us guardians to lead us into the right path of salvation and grace. Before the arrival of the Salvatorians, the Khasi Hills were predominantly pagans with few Protestants. Though few priests often visited the hills, but never really planted the faith here. It was on 13th December 1889 when the Apostolic Prefecture of Assam was erected and handed over to the Society of the Divine Savior by a decree of the Propaganda Fide. Hence, the first 4 German Salvatorian missionaries set foot in Assam in 1890. The moment they arrived in Assam, their sole aim was to make known the Savior to the people of the land. There was not a single soul converted to Christianity by then. The zeal and enthusiasm and the hard work could be seen in the amount of works they undertook during that very short time.
Father Jordan had a very missionary mind in those days. So what he wanted to do is to send as soon as possible young people to Assam. And one day he got an invitation from the Propaganda Fide, that means from the propagation of faith, and they suggested him, Father Jordan, you can now send the first people to Assam. And he was very happy because he had a diocesan priest, a former diocesan priest with the name Otto Hopfermüller. And he joined the Salvatorians because he said, I want to go to the missions. And that day was in 1819.
Born on May 29, 1844 in Weismain, Germany, Lorenz Hopfermüller, a priest of the Diocese of Bamberg, was ordained on October 6, 1866 at the age of 22. After completing doctoral studies at the University of Würzburg, he was appointed to St. Martin's Parish in Bamberg. After the death of his mother, he felt able to fulfill his long-term plan of joining a religious community which would enable him to go to foreign missions. In 1889, he went, together with his 23-year-old father Angelus Münzloher and brothers Josef Bachle and Marianus Schum, to Assam in northeast India, where he became the first superior.
They arrived 1819, yeah? And then they agreed that one of the members, Father Angelus, would stay in Guwahati, and that Father Otto Hopfermüller would go to Shillong. But they didn't know anyone. So what they had to do is to find a place where they could sleep and where they could start to work. And going through the first letters, we saw how difficult it was. For instance, they didn't have chairs or a table or a bed. So the first days they slept on the soil, and they tried to find a carpenter to have some chairs. So it was very difficult. The second difficulty of those European missionaries was the climate. It was very hot, it was humid, and they were not accustomed. And that is one of our first problems.
The work of this new mission was carried out with great zeal and energy. Soon after his arrival, his first attention was evangelization of the locals. He diverted his energy in learning the language.
Father Otto was a genius. He learned it very quickly. And we should not forget that in those days the German did not have English in the school. So when they came to Shillong, they had to learn Kasi and they had to learn English. And little by little they got contact to the English-speaking people here on the place.
In spite of all the difficulties, he made great progress in a very short time. After 3 months, he wrote both a catechism and a life of Jesus and Mary in the Kasi language, and he had begun to translate the Schuster's Bible stories. Father Otto Hopfermüller was a man with many talents and tremendous energy, and it was a great encouragement to the newly formed society when he joined. In his own words, he says, "I have chosen to join the newly founded Catholic Teaching Society in Rome because it is in need of workers and because it has a good spirit, and in it I think I will be able to bear fruit for the kingdom of God." He engaged himself in building a proper mission center. At that time, there was a small church built by Father Jacob Broy, who made annual visits to Shillong. The church accommodated only 15 people. Father Otto was hunting for new land to set up a bigger mission center and more accessible to the locals.
At that time, they had only a small plot of land and a very small thatched house called with a loving name, the Villa of Good Hope. It was a house used by Father Jacob Broy and Father Creek, the two Capuchin fathers who worked in the plain of Assam, but during the hot season, they used to come to the mountains here in Shillong to rest, to rejuvenate themselves, and to begin to work again in the plains.
Father Otto Hopfermüller was ascetic. That means he was very severe against himself. That means he didn't sleep a lot. He worked a lot, maybe we can say too much. And then he did not eat too much. So he was severe, and he was asking the food from the people. When a person is working hard, doesn't sleep a lot, has always the burden of the climate, at the end it cannot go well. So, after some months in August 1890, he already died. And I think he did not yet enough take care of himself, of his health, psychological health, but also his bodily health.
He died of meningitis caused by sunstroke. He was only 47 years old and had been in the new field, this new land, only for 6 months. He did not have the joy of witnessing the first baptism.
They rightly chose him to come to plant a seed here and to lead the first group of missionaries. Unfortunately, God took him away within 6 months. But God never abandoned us, and therefore the work continued through other people in spite of the many hardships they had to face because of distance from their homeland, from the superiors, and the difficult terrain in which they lived, and the many other difficulties that were created because of the varieties of cultures and the difficulties that they face also in trying to reach out to the people in various ways. In spite of all this, they worked with courage here.
A few months after his death, his companion, Brother Marianus Shum, died. Father Angelis Minsulohar had to shoulder the responsibility of leading the mission of the Den Assam. He was 24 when he became the first apostolic administrator.
10 days after Father Hopfmuller died, another brother here in Shillong, he died, Marianus Shum. So Father Jordan did not give it up and sent in the same year, 1890, once again 4 other people, 4 other young Salvatorians. And with them the first group of Salvatorian sisters, because they were very much needed, because here in Shillong and the area there were so many orphans. And the sisters, when they came, took care of those orphans, girls and boys, and were visiting the sick.
The acquirement of the Hopkinson Wood, a land in Lightenkra from General Hopkinson, known to Khasis as Lumtingkong, was a landmark achievement in the beginning of the mission. This land was bought at the sum of rupees 5,000. Soon followed the first baptism of the Khasis.
I am about to open this important register. You can see here written a small letter, baptism 1891 to 1911, matrimonia 1892 to 1922, and a funeral 1891 to 1929. Family that got the baptism in 1891. You can see here Maria and Anna Sada Nongrum, with their father K. Rising. They are the first persons to receive the baptism during those years.
Other mission centers were opened in Raliang in 1892, Shela in 1893, Guwahati and Bondashil in 1894, and Cherrapunji in 1897. By then, there were 1,300 Catholic churches already.
The mission started with other missionaries coming to continue the job, like Father Ignatius Benton and other fathers. And here we can see how those old missionaries, they started to spread very far, very, very far. In the sense that, for example, from Shillong, they went to Shela. And if we can think at this moment, at this time, why should they choose or they went to that place, which right at this present, at this moment, it is a small village. It's nothing much of interest in that village. But still, in those days, they went and they started a mission there.
The great earthquake of 12 June 1897 proved to be the major setback for the Salvatorians. It razed to the ground nearly all the buildings that belong to the mission, especially in the area of Shela. Despite the lives lost, buildings destroyed, the Salvatorians never gave up.
We should not forget that in 1897, here in Assam, there was a huge earthquake which destroyed completely all the places where we had constructed little chapels, little houses, a small orphanage. Everything was destroyed, so we had to restart from the beginning.
Kajingkinyo, kabajur, kelawan ki, hagani kari jungi. Kibriu kila tiang, kumban paik sang lohi. Kila panjing mau, kila ngoblei, banlan im, na uni ujumai ba. Upadar, ubadei Salvatorian, ubaidon lang hangta, udem kok siu, udwai.
Ko Jisu kukun ublei. Yada yangi nakibor jingling shop kamarian. Lada umdei yanga shimet. Henrei nakbenta kini kibriu baro. Tumap yaki pop jungi.
Ko thaulang ko yobei. Ko lei luom ko lei wa. Tuya map lem tuya pelak lem yangi nakane ke jingma.
Kibaidan lang ru. Kia duwai lang hala karukom lajong. Belum. Hadin anda la jam ke jingkenyu. Kelaya bisar, ialah kibriu lajong, bat kitiar kitar.
Nganget padar piduai hau blei jong pi, manu tau blei jong pi.
Ngaduai hau kun blei, uba ai bor yanga.
Balai pim duai bet hau blei, pihak penduai hau kun jong u.
Ukpa ubalong blei, ukun ubadai ujisu, bat umensim ukun kidai uwei blei. Nginget haka jinglong lai hakaway.
Balay ublay jongi umday mo ublay.
Haba ngapet ya kanyam kedustur jongpi. Ngayo i kumba kadai keju kanyam jong Abraham u Ishak u Jacob bat kumta terter. Uday ublay wa im ubang nginget ba uday ukhun jongpi.
Kumta mo?
Shisha nan ongapi. Ba ublay jonga uday uju ublay jongpi bat jong uway pa uway ubriu ubapar hakani keslaperte.
Kumno padar fitip kita baro hatu pelajur ko teng mo sebeneng banyu i kita juba.
Kamaria kalapun yu khulung hakani hi keslaperte. Dei ita ikhulung ibadei ikhun ublay ya iba kinong yathulupa kiladap kren lupa. Bat on sapha yu khun bamarway banwan long briu. Banlong kumutu siar uba prat lenti uba pianget bat ngas ngong thu shai ba katu kadai kapharsi ya kini kejingwan jong khun ublei baladap kren lupa daki kepatemen jong piru
hatu ladap wan ne unsawan utau khun ublei
hooj kaladap urlong ulawan banhikai yaki ketien blei bat uladap ban sayap halor ding tena Banlong lang kenya nakbenta jong pi jonga.
Kamut piru fly i kita ki jingwan jo u.
Kata kaja haki hajar snel menshua. Ngayo tang ki jing hikai na ki gospel kabatho sapang ki jingja ki baladep bat ki ban seurlo. Bajar banget hauni bat haki ketien jong u.
un salai em
hadian jang kini jingja baro ki phadar kila poi halai pensau kizdang ban pensu thit ya commission hangte hadian sau benai ka jing trishtam ka jungki ka zdang ban mi kiso ka jinget haterna house nem hatraspa andai punyo hau sitarik benai risau ki phadar salvatorian klayo bosan namar kata lolong nong terna baningkong ban pediang ya ka jinget jung Yesus Kris Tiki beriu nakian kelai keren lorni.
Balai utai usut yang tersom Titus.
Kini ru kile kaju karu kompin rum beriu. Kialap yang tahu bayap terut, hau tahu ding basupna kumbelap ite kiwei. Henry karyam kaya perdei.
Hoi kinfi ngaru wanda sampang ya karu komle jungki. Tangba kadai ke ba ipla ba ki beriu nasa ka weipat ke perthaiski kin yelaki khun ki kiti kin wan lep ha le isn yang isani
kiarap shibun hau new jumai baru wat ki sipai tomi ki badon boru kim panla panyarap kumaki
kiong badai tang ka jinget hau tau Jisu kabala ban ai bor ki katne kiong mau tau Jisu ai jingim ban laj nakanurok kakso ngaru ngaraso kwa ban sautu khamha ya kani ki jinget
hakubi kisni uribon sing bat ki nyongot ki marjan marpa klalai penyekundo yu
padar belai tau Jisu hab ban sayap yala dia haba udai ukhon ublai ulawan long bril ban sayap bangin num knyashu dau siar new blang mauhi ulang utau lang knya ba IT nak benta jongi ki bril jar banget hau on ladim
nang dapat keladon sakwe ke jingja ke bas ngotenan hak yingsa jong uba ribortus berkon simli badikong susana iban panrang hak trep ke bakiadon shikmi shikon
mai kamasiam jong akatrang mangan penya sokno yang dia bat kitai ki jong ima Titus
restu ngaru nga internet ya katai ka janyam tepi kon
to ya mai ngin ya let kendo ya ki jong ima Titus
Te kini ru siye lalai ban pediang yo Jisu. Bat kumni suki pasuki kabalang kala nang suthit haki babon ki baya sngo ya ka khobor ka babha. Namar kini klingdo ki don sibon ka jingit ka jinget yo Jisu bat ki jinghikai jong u. Kumta kila pundon kambha ya kita ki jinghikai baki yo na ka gospel utrai. Kila tresitom wan pin priang ya kapten ublei ka jing duai ka jing e ka jing kenban bade ki kam babha kila job ya kari kasi jongi ban pin priang keleng ya kene ka khobor ka jinget hau Jisu ublei wa im ka jing yero ka bakrang ka lek chautrai nang bu nang thau bala kurku yangi katni karhai kublei ya phi baro jing shikho deng
Day
Hadian gitu ki items ki basya men siam cisha mentah sengobhabnya syak support sakawi pat ka program ka balangkot kata ka jeng penhap no yakalama jong kani ka celebration jengi ti kerpat i Vicar General Parish Priest bat kirang ba katu kani makin late sejan kalama ban penhap no ai katu kalama nama mentah ka ski ka closing ceremony jong ka quas presentinil celebration sengba kirang ba banyalam Vicar ha kaju kapor kadon kanjing penher ya karusni ne kapanur sengobha ki paj ba bandang ya pej ya kania kanjing penher ya karusni kum kanjing le buram ya kani kasni kanjing penkot ya kani ka celebration jongi Daladap penhap ya kalama ngakerpat ya kirang ba padar bikin one shadisha stage bikin hand over ya katu kalama ha irang ba balang but chairman jong kani ka celebration Ta karusni kadangwan ban penher sngop ha ban ya up untuk sipor. Yang kerpat ya VK General bin wan no stage bat kirang ba bin hand over no ya kalama jong ke centenary celebration. Sngop ha ban wan rai kalama seni bat ban ya ai seni stage. Apsua kaponur kani kapuar min ai no ya kani kalama sya irang ba balang jong kasnong terna semua banhan over ya kani kalama Vika General semua banhan over kani kalama sya irang ba balang jong kasnong ha kaju kapuar ni tem no ya ka theme song jong ka closing ceremony so hayang baro Hapti
Unang suti ng sanhaw
baro ublay terkuyap baro ublay suan
Volunteer baro macam sekolah ini, nakar pari volunteer baro macam sekolah ini. Volunteer nasional baro macam sekolah ini. Nakar pari ya baro kepada sister ki rangba sinong seda ki teman bersan ki rangba balang jeng balang pedestrian ban lej disha bangja hangti haka school UP. Nang ta baro khat kita bersyak khat sobha kin lej ban disha hangti ha school sekat UP